Hi guys, how are you today? Good, I hope. All right, I got kind of haul from Cat's Meow and also Amazon and also Blitsy, so lots of little orders. So I'm going to just jump right in. I got this mouse pad from Cat's Meow with gorgeous girls on it. I got some more of these stickers. I got 2 packs of them. I think that one's upside down. They're both the same anyways. I got that. I got another D4. This comes with nothing because I can't open it. Anyways, it's got this. I'm going to make an album of these once I get around to it. And I did get this one here. These are so pretty. Those are from the Cat's Meow. I think this came from Blitsy. I got these little paint things. This one, I got a couple of them. I think they're all the same. Oh, this is all the face colors down here. And this one has other colors that are here. And they're small. Great for traveling or whatever. I got a 6-pack of metallic hens, which I'm going to, I think there's 8 in here, which I'm sharing with a couple friends. I got some of these things for my vintage ephemera. That was Tim Holtz. Now I got these. These I think came from Amazon. I'll have to open those in a minute. I got a leaf stamp. Thought that was pretty. I can use that for a lot of things. I got some of these papers. They're only 6 by 6. Some on the back. Pretty cool. I don't know, you can get the colors. I've got 2 for friends. I did buy the Sizik star die set, which I'm waiting to try that. I did get some washi tape, and they're all in really bright colors. My granddaughter was into that, stole some of those. This is still from the, is this from Amazon? No, this is still from the Cat's Meow. I got some ribbon, kind of a gray color. It's pretty. And I got this die with the doors and windows. Wanted to use it. I got some more ribbon that's in beige color. I got a little fairy. It's really a glare on this. Now I'm not sure. She gave me a free gift, which I think is this one, with the little clouds and lightning. And I bought this one, the mermaid. I'm doing a mermaid album. Oops. I got this scoreboard, and I don't know why, because I already have one. But anyways, I got that. I think I have a Tim Holtz one. I don't know why I bought that. I have no idea. And this is from Amazon. That's my book. And I got little dies in here. There's 3 sets. There's square ones, round ones, and triangle, or you know, long one like that. So that's pretty cool. I got this little tiny unicorn too. I want to make some ATC cards out of these, so that'll be cool. I also got this thing that was very expensive. Whoops. And that just came apart. This thing is set to hang on your desk. That's my son who still has a cold. So this is a pouch. And it just clips onto your desk for more room, which I really wanted. So I got that. And I got two of the little pouches, and they just hook onto that. They have a hook right here, the silver ones, and they hook onto that. And so you have like a little caddy. This one is for pens and pencils, and then maybe your glue in this one, and I don't know what I'm using the other one for. But they all hook onto your desk, so it doesn't take up any space on your desk because they're hooked to your desk. So I got all that. And my son's going to take this downstairs for me because I have a problem walking with boxes. And this last thing I got, if I can open it, what happened to that knife that was here?
Whatever you did with it.
Huh?
I don't know what you did with it. Here.
And I think I got it. Let's give it to me. Thanks. Nice work. I'm not downstairs in my craft room, so I just have to make sure whatever I do, I don't spill them all over the place. Okay. That's just a card. I got these, and they are clogs, and they come, that's my dog, they come in a whole bunch of different sizes. Olivia, and this is for my vintage book that I'm making, and I got like 100 of these different sizes. So that's kind of cool. And I want to make a couple of, I got a 2-hole punch, and I want to make some of those twosies things. And the other thing I got was this, and I like things that I can't open. That doesn't open that way. My dog is playing with my son and he's making a lot of noise. Okay. So how is everybody? We are going to the States this weekend, which will be nice. And we'll have things go up my sweater. Yeah. Anyways, these are little flowers that have their mirrors on them, and you have to pull off the stuff that protects the mirrors from scratching. And they come in a bunch of different sizes too. So I just have to take the mirror off. See, it's a little mirror. These are really cute. So, oops. Yeah. I got a whole bag of these too. So they'll be kind of cool. Anyways, that's my haul. Not very big. I got a lot of boxes, but boxes were big and not much in them. You know how they do that. So, that's kind of it. I like to play with those flowers. I won't say I play with the dies, because I got a ton of dies and I never play with any of them. occasionally. If I'm gonna make something, then I do. I am amazed that I bought this because I don't know why I would buy this. I have already about 3, unless there's something real special about this one. This is memory keepers. Oh, this is a trimmer and a scoreboard. Maybe that's why I got it. Okay. Yeah, I don't have a scoreboard in mine. I have the other one. So I'll have to try this out. It does make these rosettes, so I'll be maybe happy to do that. I'll have to look and see how it works. Pretty cool. Okay, I guess I know why I bought it now. That's it. I am, we're meeting up Friday, going to supper, then we're going to the States Saturday morning. So that should be fun. We're looking forward to going to Tuesday morning. I've never been there. I've been to the States lots, but I've never been there. So that'll be interesting. I'll beat other people to the stuff they have there because, you know, we don't have anything like that in Canada. I wish we did. Anyways, that's about it. And I'll be on again soon. I just wanted to bring you that little haul that I had, and that came from the cat's Meow and Blitsy and a couple things from Amazon. And I got my husband a couple things too, but he's taken them already. So, you know. Anyways, thanks for watching. We'll be back again. Bye.